Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Right now, the market is slightly. It sold off a lot yesterday during the pre-market tonight. 8.5. We had some news. It pushed a little bit there, but overall, a daily red candle. Look at this candle right now. We're selling off there. Still handling this big trend line we have on the daily chart. You can see it here, still there. Big wick low above there. Lot of lowers here never been taken. It's a good chance it can come lower, but we're gonna try to be a little bit careful and be like, what the markets is doing right now before we decide to take something. Like for right now, from the hourly chart coming here on pre-market, this looks beautiful for more downside, but we will evaluate during the moment. During right now this last minutes of this trading session here. This looks beautiful, guys. How are you, everybody who's there? Guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the stream. As always, we're here trying our best to get to payout if we can do it with my funded accounts. My funded account right now is at $50,950. Hopefully we can get him a little bit more, but whatever the market will provide us will be fine. I'm okay with anything the market will give me for free. Market now they're selling a little bit, looking for coming back for these lows. Even better, this big low here. I'm gonna put this one here as a low. This 632. But if we get to 632, that means we are looking to break that big trend line we have on the daily chart. Does it want to do it to break the big trend line on the daily chart? These things here. We go for 6 months, 3 months. You can see it. Does it want to break? We still have space, so we still have space to come lower. Right now, selling off. As well, because we've taken this little high here. Look at this little high taken there. Coming to this double bottom, quick double bottom. Then right now, is selling is there, pressure is there. Market is opening in 40 seconds, guys. Welcome back. Oh man, I wanted that dump to hold off another few minutes. Was an A plus setup. Wait, did you take a short? Wait, I have to see what do you mean with A plus setup. This from this level here. What the heck did I do that, man? What the heck? Ah, just now. Okay, wait, just now. Ah, just this one. Or even if you make it more aggressive trend line, this one. Big volatility there on these lows. That's come some nice candles there for me. Market looking to go a little bit lower there at the 700s. Yeah. What's What would have been your TP? Your entry, what would have been your entry here, my friend? What would have been your entry? Which number? To understand your Astro. I'm not in the 1 minute. That's why the candles were weird. Okay. So right now we have these. Yeah, now, yeah, the 1 minute it's more clear than the 3 minutes. Some damn selling there, huh? We're getting a nice sell off. Is this the lows here they're gonna get taken? I took this short, by the way, with one micro contract with my PA. I can show you this at least. This is, I can show you this one. This is my, freaking hell. These were trading orders. I took one short here and look at the lows. Yeah, I could have aimed for more lows. I was like, I'm taking it out. I'm happy where I took profit there. I'm happy where I took profit. 1 year one. Guys, we're selling, huh? We're selling nicely there. Six PAs, man. Are you copy trading them or you're just trading them one by one? Both options are good. Right now we're selling aggressively, guys. Wow. Not yet. That's the way. You sent in Discord. You sent me in private. Okay. So checking again what you sent me there. Okay, you go even more aggressive on the trend line. I see that. So you're more like this. You're like this. And this fake out. Because you looked at the fake out as well, the break higher and not only the level. You were like, okay, there's a trend line here break and plus a fake out. Oh, now we're getting some push there. Well, that's good chance we're gonna reverse. It is beautiful. Yeah, yeah, 928 becomes too much. Yeah, you put the gambling opening there, and you're like freaking hell. And it looked amazing, but the beauty is that you saw it prior it happened. I would say that it's very good. On to the next one. Oh, beautiful! I managed to get out from that things. Right now we are reversing aggressively. Wow. Okay, we're already taking the. Wow, market just got some people there. Luckily, I took my $100 win for the moment. Wow. Yeah, Bravo and slippage as well. Yeah, it's tricky. It's tricky. It's tricky. Oh. Look at that turn, guys. We literally had a massive grab of lows of pre-market and we just reversing. Gold selling more sell. Oh, gold. Ew, what an ugly price action in gold. We have like so much consolidation there. Right now we're taking again some highs there. Sorry, some, yeah, we're taking some highs. Is this going to be enough, or this going to be again a reversal? It would be crazy if this reverses low to the low side again. If this comes back to the lows, that would be insane. What is the opening print level here? Is this one here? Wow, we're really reversing, guys. Okay, people are getting destroyed by this price action. Are you one of them? Who is honest to say that they're getting clapped by this market? That's some good morning, guys. Who's getting clapped? Someone has to be clapped here. For the moment, it's not me. I'm honest. It's not me. I took a short. I'm out. That is price action. We really jumped from here to here. How much? 70. What much is that? 123 points. Only Mufti. How are you, Mufti? That's crazy. If you think about that, that's wow. But now still the selling pressure is there. Do we have news today apart the PPI that happened before? Yesterday Trump spoke. Wednesday PPI 10 a.m. we have business inventory, delayed report, and existing home sales. Then we have some Fed speaking, but nothing else. Tomorrow we have initial job claims. I'm like more bullish. That's very interesting. Very interesting. I'm like more selling just because we are. It looks like weak, to be honest. It looks like heavy candles to the downside. Taking some highs here, coming back low, but it's true that we've taken as well big lows here. So it's kind of a shitty moment. We've not taken this bottom here. This is like a big one. If this comes back to the low, I think it can run for a while. I mean, at least up to the 55,632 level that we have. Gold is selling off nicely as well. I should make I'm gonna work to make it easier for me to transition from gold to NQ to ES. Yeah, I'm gonna work on that. It's gonna take me some time, but it's better. Yeah, it's such a weird things that bounce, right? Imagine all the people that went here long with this idea that we grab these lows, and right now we're still selling off. That's crazy. I don't know, my live stream is telling me that I have 0 people watching. That's okay. I think if you're still there watching me, the few people, I'm fine. I have to connect the things here. Give me a second. I'm back. It looks like it wants to break lower. Hello, Tomato. Are you still trading with your iPhone, my friend? I hope not. I hope not, my friend. Wow, wow, wow. What's happening there, guys? What's happening there? That's some sell-off happening. iPad is already better. iPad is already better. iPad is already better, my friend. Okay, guys, I went short again there with my funded account. For the moment, it's paying off. It's paying off. I went short again there, looking for more continuation up to these lows, but I took it a little bit in advance. But happy to be out there. Up $235 on the day. I'm chilling right now. I have so much wiggle room to play now with this PNL. Some nice scalps to start the day, and now I can relax and see what I can get more without going crazy. I mean, to be, I think if this was upside, I would have held to look for long-term, long trade day. But because we're on a downside and I have big levels to here, oh my god, big levels to 632. I'm like, I'm happy to take it out. Thank you for not clapping, Mufti. 2 shorts there. Very good job. And I did not short with my evaluation today. Imagine that. The first day, I'm like, right, I did not short with my evaluation. What the heck? Hello, Dominique. Only Hamza can clap me. Shit. Oh my, I will never come to Boston. I will never come to Boston. I will never come to Boston. We are still selling off, guys. Who knows, this is gonna be the biggest sell-off of the year. I short and got afraid, closed it, and then it dumped. Hey, yeah, no, I'm sorry, Bogdan. Sorry, we're definitely dumping, guys. We're definitely dumping. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that bat. Still going down again. I made $154 in that dump. Yeah, we are near big lows. We are near a big double bottom we created prior. And I'm gonna put it here in the hour chart. This double bottom here, 1 and 2, especially because this bottom here created a push to push above this double top. So a lot of buyers here now getting stopped out. Let's see how the market wants to handle these 2 levels. Is it gonna just melt down? Again, daily chart. Look where we are, guys. Look where we are. We are really, we closed step by step. We did smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller days movement here, and now is looking it wants to break. But this is the main levels. If we break the 630 level and we don't hold them anymore, look at this level here, same as here, same as here, same as here now. If we don't hold and we start to break, it does look it wants to go lower for the next days and weeks, at least. That's the idea on a price action chart. But let's see, maybe this is a fake out. Maybe this is because this daily candle is fresh, right? We still have a lot of this candle to close. This candle can still be a candle that does this, does a wick, and closes green. And this becomes a huge bullish signal to break higher and go all-time highs. So this daily candle is still fresh to think about anything related to a break lower and a continuation lower. Yeah, we can definitely, yeah, we can definitely see a reaction here and maybe even a bounce. I'm not gonna take anything right now until I see something more clear for me. But right now I'm taking my beautiful long short trades I've taken right now, made me money, and I'm gonna wait to see something more popping out. To be honest, this can be a good long. I mean, you take some longs here, and that's a good place to go for longs. Would you risk it? Would you risk to get along there? Who's there to play the risky game? Let's do it with my evaluation. My evaluation. Let's do the game of aiming to get higher. Liquidation is lower. Oh, liquidation is still that far. Max balance. When I lost so much balance yesterday. And if we break even more here, I buy more. I already bought more. Trend the daily trend looks amazing strong. But the daily trend looks strong on a positive side. I mean, the daily is daily, but let's see. This is my evaluation. If the 50 minutes close is nice, okay, that's interesting. This can be the reversal of the day. Who knows, guys? Are selling off a little bit. Let's see the 50 minutes candle. Yeah, for me to start look for longs, guys, on my PA, if I wanna like try to play the long side, I really need to start to see higher low, higher high. That's what I'm trying to see at least. So if this wants to bounce, Is this a support? Continue higher. Maybe this can be a good start to buy. A good place to start buying. But as you said, we wait. I'm up on my funded account, so I'm happy already. 51,183. Sharing but not sharing. That's my new way of doing with my funded account. Sharing but not sharing. Sharing in Discord. Oh yeah, sharing whenever I want. What the fuck? Yesterday, my position closed at market. I closed it at market closure. Yesterday was crazy because I went long. And my take profit was here. Up here was my take profit. So this shit came back lower to almost stop me out because my stop loss was a bit lower than this. And below the 800 was it. Few points more to give it room. Came back, tend to close somewhere here. It was insane. Yeah, because my take profit was just literally 20 points above. So annoying. It's okay. We cannot be too good. I'm already too sexy, so I cannot be as well good at trading. That's my conclusion. Right? If you're good at trading, you need to be ugly. For respect of us, beautiful people that cannot trade. Yeah, that's what I believe, guys. That's what I believe. You cannot have everything in life. Do you want to be ugly or rich and rich, or you want to be beautiful but poor? You can decide. Double bottom tomato. Let's see right now. It's still coming lower. What is the next lows there? Let's go to the 50-minute chart. The next low, it's just breaking it right now. I already just broke it right now. A lot of support there. Yes, you can get beautiful after a few years when you're gonna be ugly. Beautiful, you're gonna be richer. Some volatility there is increasing. Who knows that is the low, guys? Was the low right now created on the day? That looks like a low was created because the moment we grab this low, look at this kind of volatility. Who knows? Leave it there for the moment and we'll evaluate. Strong green candle. Let's see how it wants to evolve. The strong green candle already getting eaten back. Damn! But this is, hey, Nick, this is not your kind of trade here. This is for Nick, because Nick usually trades like stuff like that. It's very hard, guys, here. Because if here it breaks, there is no downside anymore for a while. It looks like. Again, another weak candle there. I hope as well it's making bank. It is not easy price action. Not easy at all. Trying to find support, really trying hard there on the support side. Sellers are stepping out a little bit, buyers are there, but still this price action is on the downside. Buy orders at 580. Good luck, my friend. Glad you closed the yeah, it's a closing platform situation. Market is trying, but not really succeeding right now there. I'm adding one more in my evaluation account. One more contract. Bounce, bounce, bounce right now. Go long. Please. It's not. In 2 minutes, we have the news, guys. That's true as well. It's true, I forgot the news side. $580 is coming for you, Jose. Lower again. Right now, we're closing candles below the 600, so price action is getting heavier. Mufti saying a possible flash to 500, 15, then 500. That would be my liquidation of my evaluation. If that happens, that would be very sad. ES is flashing down. ES, guys, is selling off really nicely. Not flashing down, but selling very nicely right now. Wow, guys, we are definitely coming lower. That was a flash. That was a crazy flash. Wow. That was crazy. How much was that candle in a like 150 50 points? Yeah, 50 points. I admit that I was long in my funded account. I lost all my profit. on that things. I had to cut it out right now. It's coming too much aggressive. I looked for a bounce there, for honestly. I gave back profit to my funded account. I'm down $40. Gonna give it time right now. That's crazy. The idea, the right, I had the right idea on the daily chart, but I was like, okay, it's gonna bounce here. I'm gonna bet on the bounce at 600 after taking some big lows. But wow, gonna leave it there for the moment. Going long at any point today, that mean will suggest that trade is a fucking loser. I went long at the lows. Went long at good. I'm sorry, man. It's okay. It's okay. Don't listen to what Nick said. You can go long if your strategy tells you to go long. Read the market like you should read with your strategy, and whatever is, if it's a long, you take a long. Definitely, if you say before you looked for short, then you turned your head for something else, then yeah, evaluate the situation. No, I don't agree with that, Nick. I always say that you can use your dog as your strategy. Your way of reading the market is not the only way. It doesn't mean you were long bullish and then you turn as well bearish after. That means nothing. You can take breakouts at long, and there is not one strategy. We have to stop to think there is one strategy. Let's see what the markets wants to do. I gave back 200. I mean, I gave back almost $300 there on the trade, but it's fine. It's only half an hour from the market open, and we sold off from the peak 270 points. 270 points? Yes, 1,000 ticks. Crazy sell-off. And definitely I don't agree with that. And I don't agree with that. That means you said clean bounce is because you're looking at your strategy with your eyes. How you see the market is how you see it personalized with your eyes, with your brain. Someone else can come, see the market, and tell you that is a long. And the fact that you're right this time doesn't mean you're right every time. If not, you will be a millionaire. And I agree with that, but it doesn't mean anything. How you see the market, how it's moving doesn't mean anything. Everyone sees the market in a different way. You cannot go to someone that is, imagine you go to someone that is profitable and went long there, he lost, and you tell him, you are an idiot. The market, of course, is short. He took a long, he took a loss. 100% he will laugh at you. Because you are closing yourself with only your way of seeing the market. Yeah, but that's not what you said before in the chat. You said going long at any point today to mean would suggest that trader is a fucking loser. But then you said like me, but yeah, you said it like me, but this is, I'm not taking it personally because I took my loss, but for me it's a generalizing on trading strategy doesn't make sense. Imagine I'm long at 580, push that back to green, you're back 580, you're back to green right now. Let's see how it goes, because This daily candle can reverse. I mean, wow. The stop loss of Jose is 1,000. There is no stop loss for Jose. Keep holding the shit until the end. $1,000. How many contracts? I think you trade macros. By the way, I did not get liquidated my evaluation. Still there. Let me. Liquidation was just here lower. Wow. I think I will be liquidated, but I'm gonna leave it there. Fuck stop loss. Yeah, I get what you mean. I get what you mean. Ah, that shit is bouncing. Break-even makes me lose money. Yeah, I had the same. Fuck break-even, guys. I prefer lose money than seeing something go break-even and then go to profit. Done as well with that break-even situation. 10 a.m. news was there at 10 a.m. That was the reason the market dumped. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. That's why at 10 we had that candle. I didn't realize, to be honest. I forgot about the 10 a.m. news. I knew it was coming, but I forgot that was the candle. Muhammad, it depends how much you are in the trade. I did not have stop loss neither in my case, but I evaluate on the price action and I'm like, okay, this thing is dumping on me. No levels holding. I'm gonna call myself out. That's how I evaluate it. At least personally speaking. Yeah, definitely it flashed against your 580 like butter. Literally like butter there. Gold dropping. Yeah, gold is selling off nicely there. What is the idea on gold? And gold is not easy. All-time highs all the time. Scared money, no make money. I should have held my long. That's what you mean? I should have held my long. We are flagging to the downside. Can you still see my chart? Yes, you are flagging to the downside. Is this flag is going to be a fake out for our Jose to bring the market upside? Is this going to be a fake out? Wick and then bullishness to the sky? This would have been one of my trade, guys. And this would have been stopped out. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What the? What the? What's happening there? Wow. Man, you nailed it. I should have stayed long. I should have stayed long there. That looks sexy as hell. Especially if the hour candle closes, it's still hour candle is still far. See you tomorrow, Mufti. See you tomorrow. Yeah, this can go back to all-time highs, back to the highs of the day. Easily back to the highs of the day. Look at the push there, guys. Very good job, my friend Jose there. That was a beautiful long. I should have kept my long. If I had kept my long right now, I would have been like nicely up on the day, like a $600 to $700 a day. Crazy. Crazy. You nailed it long there. Wow. This thing is reversing aggressively. Check Discord. I'm on it, my friend. Let me see. Check Discord. 7 micros, man. You're already up $500. 7 micros. Oh, you added. So you added there. We are at a different average price. So it means you added to the position. Good luck. That was beautiful, man. That was beautiful. Nothing to say. Beautiful, sexy. What other words you want to hear? You had 10 contracts. Wow. Man, I should have kept my long. That's so annoying. It's okay. Life is good. Guys, I'm gonna call myself out and have 10 minutes break for myself and my brain. I did not trade the best. I started well and then I traded bad. So I'm gonna take my break. I will share in Discord later my account position sites. And for the rest, guys, I wish you the best. 80% is still there with the Apex, I believe. For the rest, guys, good luck. Love you all and see you around. See you around.